key to building wealth is to have a high-risk, high-reward investment. You can own a piece of the paradigm shift if you invest wisely. Enter Veritaseum and the VeADIR.
In this video, we will review the VeADIR use case video topic, Rebalance a digital asset portfolio. There are two primary steps in performing this use case. 1. Sell the overweighted asset, in this case crypto. And 2. Purchase underweighted assets with the proceeds. For this example, we will utilize Veritaseum's VeAssets. Before we get started, however, let's review the definition of asset allocation. What is asset allocation? Asset allocation combines different types of investment categories within a portfolio to enhance performance, manage volatility, and promote stronger, stable returns. The key factor in contributing to portfolio performance is the asset allocation policy, which determines more than 91% of its returns. The goal is to strategically allocate assets across categories such as stocks, bonds, precious metals, real estate, and other alternatives such as crypto and digital assets. To demonstrate this use case, we will rebalance our portfolio by selling a digital asset and replacing it with a VeAsset from the VeADIR. We will use the centralized exchange, Binance, for the first step to sell the overweighted asset. Binance is an international cryptocurrency exchange where we will sell our 0x tokens, and in return receive Ethereum, which we will use to purchase the VeAssets on the VeADIR platform.
In this use case example, we'll be selling the ZRX tokens and buying VeAssets. So the first step will be to sell the ZRX tokens on a Binance exchange. To do that, we're going to send them first from our hardware wallet. I've got a Trezor, so we're going to send them from the Trezor over to the Binance exchange wallet. There we'll sell the tokens for Ethereum, and then we'll send those Ethereum proceeds over to the VeADIR wallet. That'll complete step 1. Then step 2 will be to purchase the assets on the VeADIR. Okay, now we see on Binance, deposit has arrived, 8,000 coins. Let's go sell them. Let's get some Ethereum. And there we go. 14.6. Now we can go grab our funds. Withdraw those suckers. We're going to pull our ETH out. Right there. And we're going to pull it directly out to the VeADIR. Go to the Ethereum. I'm going to receive. I'm going to receive it right to that address. Paste that sucker in there. Maximize that. Do our Google Authenticator. Two 6-4 284, and that's good. Then we send an email and please confirm. Okay, we see our Ethereum's arrived. our balance is now sufficient to go buy our VeAssets. And so to do that, let's head over to VeAssets off the menu. And I'm interested first in one VE Palladium. And so let's buy. And we're going to use Ethereum to buy that. Agree to the warning. And I'd like one of those guys. I'd also like the discount. I've also already read to the terms of use, and so I'll agree to those. 12.966 Ethereum is the price that it's going to be. And hit continue. Okay, it's given us the warning. 12.966 ETH and 0.546 Veri to get the discount. And we submit. Brings up our MetaMask notification. And let's go there and make it a fast one. Confirm that. And we've got our transaction created. Purchase order in process of being submitted. And so we will let that run. Now, let's go back to assets, and with the remaining Ethereum, okay, order was placed, we see that. The remaining Ethereum, I wanted to purchase some 1 gram tokens. Let's go in there. And we're going to also use Ethereum on that. Agree to the warning. And let's go for about 6 of these guys. Gives us just over 2 Ethereum. I do want the discount, and I've read the terms of use and agree to those. And let's go ahead and kick that one off. We're transferring 2.132 Ethereum and 0.09 Veri to make this purchase. So let's do that. I'm going to submit it. We will agree to our MetaMask notification when it pops up. And again, purposes of the video, I'm going to kick that up to fast. Confirm that. Transaction's been created and we're off and running. Now we see within purchase orders the 1 Palladium is pending. That one is in process, and now we see the VE Gold has just switched to pending as well, and it is in the process of running. And so that's it. We can come back to our wallet, click the wallet icon here, and next time when we come back we will see that our VE Palladium will then go up to 2, and we will have 14 VE Gold. That's it. Simple as that. And finally we see these 2 orders, the 1 Palladium and the 6 VE Gold, have been fulfilled. Palladium took 2 minutes. We see the duration for that order, 2 minutes to fill. And the 6 VE Gold actually completed in 1 minute. And so now, if we go back to our wallet, we will indeed see that's updated. We've got the 2 Palladium in there and the additional 6 gold 1 grams for a total of 14. We have just successfully rebalanced our portfolio.